Hello everyone, this is Carla Caprali. I'm an artist, animator, and filmmaker, and this is the second part of my drawing hands tutorial. I'm teaching this tutorial on the software Procreate from my iPad. In this lesson, I am showing step by step on how to draw a hand with a perspective angle, just simple enough you can follow. Let's start with a very simple shape. We will sketch an offset rectangle shape where one side is just a bit longer than the other. This first placement shape of a hand box is very important in order to know exactly where to start placing the fingers. Then we go ahead and make a round cut on the corner, just right there, to insert the thumb and pull the first stick. Now I am on my way to insert the other sticks on that flat side, 4 in total, and I try to fit them all there on that wall. You see that while I draw the line, I try to break it in a very subtle way to set position for the knuckles. Then I start giving some volumes to the sticks. Start drawing using short strokes. It's okay to erase a couple of times in order to get nice lines, but don't overcorrect the lines. Everything should look better as you practice often. I do take my time and go back to the lines to make them look better. Every now and then, it's good to take some seconds and look at your own hands and check for references, like the length of your fingers and the position of the knuckles. We can add some colors now. I will go ahead and speed paint on a different layer below. It always looks better with colors, that's for sure. I'm using my customized watercolor brushes on Procreate. Then I will come back to my drawing layer and start cleaning the lines a little better. I keep cleaning those lines until I feel happy with the drawing. And here I show you a little bit of my process of animating hands frame by frame on Procreate Dreams. As you see, it is a long process but very rewarding. Sometimes I take pictures of my hands in the position I want to draw and use it as a reference. I hope this simple tutorial helps. In my next videos, I will post some of my animation process.